found this old Apple device. So small next to my iPhone. Do you know what it is?
Brought to you by Hacksmer.com. This is an iPod Touch. So what is an iPod Touch? Well, let's see what our mate Steve says it is.
To an iPod? Well, the answer to that question is we're going to do it today, and this is what the product looks like. It's called the iPod Touch. I happen to have one right here. It's just about the same size screen as the iPhone, the new iPod Touch. We think it's one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's just incredible. It features our revolutionary multi-touch interface that you've come to know and love on the iPhone. So, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at its music capabilities. If you've used an iPhone, you'll feel very much at home. It's exactly the same. 5 buttons across the bottom, playlist, artists, songs, albums, and more. You can scroll through your artists, as an example, with a flick of your finger. Find one you like, look at all of their albums, pick an album, pick a song, and play it and look at gorgeous album artwork. You turn it into the landscape position, you're in cover flow, you can flick through your entire music collection with your finger and look at it by album cover art. It's just magical, all on this 8mm thin device. Let's look at it for video. Again, you can look at your video, movies, TV shows, podcasts, pick something and watch it. The on-screen controls, tap to get them, tap to get rid of them. And on this gorgeous 3.5-inch widescreen display, video looks better than on any other portable device. Same as the iPhone. Gorgeous, gorgeous video. And photos. Just like the iPhone, this is the best way to share photos on a portable device ever. You can flick through your photo library, find photos, and again, you can flick through them. You can pinch them to make them larger or smaller. When you get to a photo that's in landscape, you just rotate your iPhone and it'll display it in landscape aspect ratio because there's an accelerometer inside that detects that and automatically does the right thing. So that's photos.